guys doing great? It's pretty still hot in LA. We're hoping that probably like first week of September the weather should be cool and mild, but I still feel a little bit muggy. Anyway, let's just do the abs exercise, which I do on a regular basis. All right, so you want to burn this belly, so you got to do is focus on the portion. All right, so the first what I do is I just try to do it this way, lift the leg, and I do the 3 sets. You can control the breathing too. Hold it, release it, hold it, release it, hold it, release it. Okay, 3 sets. The next one is, which is very common. Okay, so you can do 3 sets, the same thing. And the last one I do is, anyway, I just want to show you, this is the lychee drink. Is it's pretty good for this portion. It's like a spiral the leg, left and right. All right. Put your hands like parallel like this, and you lift your leg, and you go like this. Okay, like a triangle direction. You have to fix your hands. You can't move. Okay. All right, so you can do a 3 set. Yeah, so when you do this and that, it kind of, tight the belly, and this portion become very tight. So I feel it's a very, very good exercise. All right, so that's about it, and hope you guys will do the exercise on a regular basis.